Hello and welcome to CRA Diecast. Thanks for dropping by. Hope all my subscribers are doing well. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. On today's video, I just received a parcel from Tokyo, and it's all full of premium diecast, so I thought I'd share with you guys and what I was able to collect. Didn't take long. I only ordered them last Wednesday and I got them yesterday, which was Monday, so really only 4.5 days to come from Tokyo to Adelaide, which was fantastic. So I'll quickly slice the box open and you can see what I've been able to find. Get rid of that. Oh, look at that one. 1978 Chevy Corvette in official pace car for the Indianapolis Speedway. Looks really gorgeous, that one. This is from Greenlight and it's a hobby exclusive. So that's really nice, and a nice gloss black with silver two-tone paint. Yeah, really nice. I'll crack that open in a minute. Oh, from Johnny Lightning. 1986 Buick Regal T-Type in rosewood poly. Oh, that's really nice. Nice colour. Nice wheels. One of 9,148. Beautiful. And the next one is the 66 Imperial Crown Custom, the Green Hornet. Got a green base, so this could be, what do they call them, a chase? Could be a chase vehicle. Then a nice flat black. Nice chrome rims. Yeah, really nice. It's got green headlamps as well. Oh, Bentley Mulliner Bacala in scarab green from Mini GT. Got the goldy yellow version of this one, so this is excellent. This is number 492. Then another Bentley, a Continental GT Speed in apple green. Box number 473 from Mini GT. Got quite a few of this casting in different colours and liveries. Always happy to have another Bentley to the collection. And from Auto World, a new version of the 79 Continental Mark V in dark red poly with a white quarter vinyl top. This is a beautiful casting. Got quite a few of these in the collection as well. The black and the blue, and then the gold, and then the jade green. And now this one. This is stunning. And I'll get rid of the box. The other one is in cream from Auto World, true 1/64th, so this is gorgeous. So we'll crack this one open. Has an opening hood, but based on previous variants of this, it's hard to open, so I won't force it. Nice cream interior, nice alloy wheels with the white walls, and she rolls really nicely. It's really a big casting. And nicely done brake lamps and indicators, rubber rub strips on the edge of the bumper. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Nicely done grille, side marker lights. I'll open up the dark red poly one and compare. This one is just as stunning. Got dark red interior. Big casting. Love the portholes in the rear roof pillar. Nicely done grille as the other one. Metal base, real rubber tyres. 2 rivets. And nice Continental kit on the back. So gorgeous. Then from Johnny Lightning we'll open up this 66 Chrysler Imperial Green Hornet car. Yeah, it's got that green base. I think that's a special version, I think. It's got nice chrome rims, black interior, nice flat black paint. Nicely detailed at the rear, and she runs pretty well. No axle issues. Got green headlamps, nice chrome grille. And the next one from Johnny Lightning is an 86 Buick Regal T-Type, but it doesn't have a T-Type roof. And it's in rosewood poly. It's a beautiful colour. Nice grille work, blacked out grille, painted headlamps, indicators. Nicely done rims, period correct. Beautiful interior. Black paint surrounds against the tops of the windows and door frames. Nicely painted tail lamps, chrome bumpers. Rolls perfectly. The next one is from Greenlight. It's the 78 Chevy Corvette, official race car or pace car for the Indianapolis Speedway. So that one looks gorgeous as well. Has an opening hood, probably a 350 V8. Nicely done rims. Nice decal work on the side. Nice gloss black paint. She rolls, but the back axle's got a little bit of a kink in it. Looks like they're inserted tail lamps. Plastic. Chrome bumper. Silver interior. Nice front spoilers. Yeah, that's real nice, that one. Got quite a few of the Corvettes in the collection. And then the next one from Mini GT, the Bentley Mulliner Bacalar in Scarab Green. Mini GT, I just love Mini GT. Nice grey interior. Rolls nicely. Soft touch mirrors. Nice Bentley black grille in the front. Inserted headlamps. Metal body, metal base. Real rubber tyres. Yeah, that's a real stunner. Do love that green. And then the last one from Mini GT, the Bentley Continental GT Speed in apple green. Yes, this is nice. Nice gloss black rims, beautiful paint. Soft touch rubber mirrors. Nice black Bentley grille with acrylic headlamps. Air vents at the bottom. Inserted tail lamps. Bentley nameplate on the license plate. Bentley badge on the deck lid. And she rolls perfectly. Yeah, those black rims really suit this car. Gorgeous. And it's hard to say, it's got a black interior. So short and sweet today. Hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe. That would be great. I'll just do a quick overview of what I've received. That nice Buick Regal, gorgeous. And then the big land yachts, the Continental Mark V's. And then that nice Corvette. And the dark green and light green Bentleys. And the Chrysler Imperial Black Beauty. So once again, appreciate you dropping by. Thanks very much. And we'll catch you on the next video. So cheers for now.